But explain what we're doing.
We are probing this quad and gate chip made by Moss, which we suspect
Made by
to be
the garbage people.
faulty.
It's supposed to be a 74 LS08. You can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 AND gates. It only uses 2. And there's 3 pins per. So we need 6 probes plus a ground, which makes 7.
Okay.
These little things clippy in there.
Let's go for... Ooh, it's not quite long enough. 4th one down. And then...
This is the most important part. Something to drink. Marlo even thinks he has a replacement chip in his supply that we can replace this with if it's bad. This brand of logic chip on the Commodore 64 is known to be unreliable.
Apparently there were some supply issues getting good ones from other manufacturers, so Moss decided to make it themselves.
So now,
yep, we're capturing.
this will give us data off of those pins. We need to boot that up.
I think so.
So we boot up the Commodore. Look at that.
That's a lot of data for us to analyze now. But the other ones, let's check them. The other half. It was okay, so 11 is the output, which is the lowest numbered one.
Yes, we should check that we didn't wire it wrong. That's correct.
Oh wait, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at this wrong. I made a mistake. D3 is the output.
Okay.
Okay, so we're supposed to be looking at this side is supposed to be 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
And let's see, 4, 5. So 4 is the output, which is the top one. Okay, that actually looks a lot better. It looks like it's working, although we never see. Yeah, we never see this one go low.
Yeah. Working chip.
I don't see why we would replace it right now.
But that's how you use a
Logic analyzer.
yes.
I don't remember how to pronounce it. It's like
Salve. That's just a brand name though.
that's
Care about brands?
No, not really. Ready.
Oh, there we go. We got it.
Something on the screen now.
We took this chip out and put it back in.
Oh, you cleaned it.
I
saw
cleaned
you
it. I cleaned the
It had
pins.
one pin that had some corrosion on it.
This whole
All right.
thing's been full of corrosion. We cleaned it pretty good the other time, but I think we were nervous about pulling that chip a little bit.
Yeah, we were.
It's always
Commodore
good to take your time.
Basic.
There we go.
We've done pretty well with our diagnosis. Every
Yeah.
chip we've replaced has
Should
been
we
bad.
put that diag back in there and just see what it tells
that's
us?
a great idea.
See if it
Great
tells us there's
idea.
anything wrong.
Powering on.
Oh, look at that.
0 page screen.
Okay. This is new.
yes.
It's unscrambled.
Before you had all that.
Before it was
scrambled shit.
unreadable.
Yeah, the control port is bad.
Does make noises.
Uh
Alright.
oh.
Ready. Yeah, that shouldn't be.
Oh. I
You're
can type
typing, but
cues.
it's. Why is it moving?
Well, probably because it thinks there's probably a letter stuck down.
Spacebar.
Only thing we can type is Q. If I hold Q, it stops the madness. Also, the display quality has
Gotten
significantly dropped.
Yeah.
Return. And how do we make it run?
Is there a run key?
We've written a program on our computer.
There we go. It's a computer. It works. We clean the keyboard. It's all good to go. Next, we make music.